is the Mazda RX-8 so affordable? In the past, signing up for a Japanese sports car was a guarantee of an excellent performance-price ratio plus originality, but unfortunately, this is no longer the case with the spectacular increases in prices due to their numerous appearances in movies and video games over the last few decades and the good image of Japanese culture. The Mazda RX-8 escapes the trend. Let's find out why. Number 1. Maybe too rational. A twin-turbo system, 4-wheel drive, muscular proportions. This is the list of arguments missing from the Mazda RX-8, and it shows on its overall fans of manufacturers from the land of the rising sun love these configurations. It's a great way to drive a technological car and or to have a good potential of performance improvement. And that's the next point. Number 2. A naturally aspirated unit. The wankel engine unleashes the passions. Its ability to rev without constraint is so exhilarating that Mazda installs a warning buzzer when approaching the red zone. Its sound tickles the ears of enthusiasts with an unparalleled mechanical ambience. That said, this engine does not receive any forced induction under the hood of the RX-8. 192 or 231 PS will be the only original values, and you'll have to go through the discouraging swap option to gain power in interesting proportions. Number 3. 4 doors, 4 seats, 1 trunk. Mazda 6? No, Mazda RX-8. The sporty Japanese car does indeed offer decent rear seats, a trunk and 4 doors. 4 doors? Okay, they are antagonistic doors, but this impacts the height of the vehicle, its design and therefore its exclusive appearance. The result is far from being unattractive, on the contrary, but let's not forget that in the minds of Mazda fans, this car replaces another one, and that's also the problem. Number 4. The Mazda RX-7. It is now 3 times more expensive, 3 times less widespread, and at least 3 times more represented on social networks, in movies or in video games. It is the RX-7 FD3S, powered by 2 turbos. A rich upgrade catalogue and its pop-up headlamps complete the list of reasons why the coupe is a dream. Its positioning is also more radical, attacking the Nissan Skyline, Toyota Supra and Honda NSX, which target top brands such as Porsche and Ferrari, ambitions that are no longer those of the RX-8 when it came out in 2003. In the end, it is difficult to look at the classified ads without imagining for a moment behind the wheel of the RX-8. The press loved at the time of its presentation its balance, its sound so special, and its original look. A rebuilt or one found at a low price with this mechanical intervention will undoubtedly delight its owner without putting a colossal sum on the table. Well, put some money aside for the unexpected anyway. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Fueltastic channel.